guys, good evening to all alligators back here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know how we do it? We take you around our city to know what is actually happening.
And also today I'm here at Apo. You know how Apo is in Abuja, West Africa. So most people don't really know that we have happenings in Apo. People don't really know that we have places to hang out in Apo. So I'm here at one of the most biggest parts of Apo when it comes to relaxation, enjoyment, eating all the eatable, let's say fish, to explore this place, to be able to see what this place has for us. So let's see how evening life look like in this part of the world. We just want to see how evening life look like, right? So I'm just here for you to know how evening is like in Apo. Let's just sit and see how people will come, if the place will remain empty, or before I will leave this place, if the place will be full. Right? You know, the Nigerians are complaining that there is no money, So let's see truly if there is no money in town. Let's see truly if there is no money in town. I remain your favorite girl, Tissima. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. But before we go, don't always forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Leave a comment, please. Leave a comment.
Smart has been one of the favorite person I know that always buy fish from. How long do I know you? 4 years, right?
5 years.
5 years, yeah. So no matter how far I am in Abuja, he always sends fish down to me. I think he's one of the baddest when it comes to this. You understand? So I just want to know how he started. Like, you know, how long have you been in this business?
7-8 years.
7-8 years.
Yeah.
So you started when the fish was more cheaper.
More cheaper. Everything was a little bit less expensive compared to now.
Okay.
Decided, even according to the price now compared to the price then it's different.
Okay.
Because back then things were not that expensive. So
okay, then I remember I used to buy fish like as cheap as 1,500.
Yeah, back then.
Yeah. So like from that time to now, like what has actually happened? Is it that you're feeding the market or things like that? Because I later find out that you cannot see a fish of 2,000 anymore.
No.
So what really happened?
You know, maybe economical factor. You know, the fish feed is imported.
Okay.
So through the cost of that, you know.
Okay, so we don't produce fish feed here.
Yeah, no, they don't produce fish feed here. It's mostly imported.
Okay.
Mostly imported.
Okay.
And the chemicals, the fertilizer used for the fish also, it leads to the increase in price of the fish.
Okay.
From the people that even rear the fish, then down to us that we sell it like retail. That's the cost.
Okay.
The cost.
So right now you've been in this business. I know you're actually thinking of how to grow it to start very big. Because I'm actually happy how you started and where you are right now. So like, what is your plan in the next coming, like let's say 5 years to come?
It's more of expansion.
More of expansion.
More quality. Fast and reliable kind of service and delivery also.
Okay, and delivery. So how have you guys been doing? Like people that are not very close by, let's say your shop is here at Apo Park, right?
Yeah.
So people are not very close by here. Like, do you normally do home delivery for them?
Yeah, we do home delivery, but sometimes it's not as swift because of the accumulation of orders.
Okay.
Sometimes we use boats as a means of delivery. I can just send one of the boys, take it to this customer.
Okay.
You allow the customer that you are sending boats.
Okay.
You can do transfer, you pay the boats.
Okay.
But if the rider is available, the order was normal, you can still take it to you.
Okay.
But in case where the rider is not available, order boat and send it.
And send down to the person. Okay, do you actually have plan like not using other logistics as the main of this? Maybe you buy your own bike.
Yeah, we do have one, but the one is not enough.
Okay, it's not enough. That means almost all of Abuja no spots there. Okay, so okay, right now. So aside from this stand, do you actually have plan to have other branches?
Yeah, we even actually have other branches. Some branches we open, we close because of customer not much or some of those factors involved.
Okay, so for now, like how many branches do you guys have?
We just have only one.
One for now.
Last gate.
Okay, here, that means here.
No, it's not. No, plus this one, that's 2.
Okay, that's 2 for now.
2,
Okay, so like, do you guys evolve like with time? You know, at times they used to prepare fish with just, let's say, normal sweet potato. Like with time I started seeing plantain inside and things like that. Is it based on customer like needs that you guys evolve, or you just make it just to
we have sometimes just as we have general demand kind of service.
Okay.
For a particular customer, you know, or for generally, you know, this is what everybody wants, but there are some special requests. We include that one. That's why sometimes you see some things in your fish, the other person you might not see.
Okay. So like thank you for your time. Actually, I'll be one of your favorite customer for over the years. Like I can actually testify how nice this fish is, right? So we're not here to actually make mouth. If you're around Abuja, you can actually just come here. You can call him. I'll actually leave his phone number on the link, under the link, right? So you can actually call him anytime, any day you need fish. He's your favorite when it comes to fish. When it comes to fish, he's your favorite barbecue fish guy, right, in Abuja. So come with me, let's enjoy this trip together. Thank you.